about our place, and also going to another city, and also going the kickboxing, and also exercise. What you will get, just watch some of my videos. Don't worry, I'm not going to make you watch it. And do you know Bangladesh? A little bit. I haven't been there. I haven't been to Bangladesh. Yeah. Salamat po. Yes, guys. I have a lot of manifestation, and I write it down in this notebook. And also my diary. Like this. Thank you, universe, for letting me earn 1 million subscribers. You Christian? Christian? Yes. In short, I won't say much. I'm waiting for you to visit a princess in a beautiful dress. I am a little bit busy with my small business, so ingat po. Thank you, Darvendra, for spending time on my life. Bye-bye. Yeah. My princess, she is going back home. I am really overwhelmed. Look at my dog, guys. Here, my dog. Look at this. Hi, Derek Jones. Look at this, okay? Walang ano man. Wow, the algorithm sent me to you. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Derek. My friends call me DJ. Hi, DJ. Thank you for visiting my life. Where are you from? Hello, someone. Where I'm from, the Philippines. How about you? Hello, hello, hello. What are you doing this evening? We're just done eating dinner, and right now going to eat dessert. Excuse me, staff. Excuse me, my dear. Ayan. My dog likes to lie down next to me.